We won't go back!
The Midland County Courthouse fielding chants from hundreds of pro-choice ralliers.
This isn't about killing babies. Pregnancy is just it's an extraordinary but a difficult thing to go through, and you have to let people decide that issue for themselves.
It's so important that I can be able to go to my own physician and make a choice that is best for me.
Speaking in Midland tonight, Congressman Dan Kildee, he calls the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade depressing.
For the long history of the court, it's always been a step toward protecting more freedoms, to bringing more people into the full American experience, until last week, when they decided that half the people in this country would have their fundamental rights of their own health care decisions dictated to them by somebody in government.
He says he's fighting for a woman's right to make health care decisions, including abortion. The services are still available in Michigan because the 1931 law banning abortion is in a pending lawsuit. But Kildee says that could be short-lived.
If the 1931 law in Michigan becomes the final law, until we have a legislature that will repeal that, that means under no circumstances would anyone have a right to abortion services.
Women of Michigan Action Network behind the rally. They're collecting signatures for a ballot drive that would put a measure on the November 2022 ballot to add an individual right to reproductive freedom to the state constitution. And for that to be added to the ballot, they need about 425,000 validated signatures by July.
It's going to be up to people to decide to get engaged, get involved, and make sure that the people that represent them in government share their values.
Reporting in Midland, I'm Kendall Keys.
And in response to tonight's rally and the Supreme Court's decision, Michigan Right to Life says we support the right to peacefully rally. We've been rallying and protesting at the annual March for Life for several years now. We believe that the U.S. Supreme Court made the right decision regardless of protests. We stand by the justices and we are thankful for their courage.